Good morning. This is what my day is like, starting off. Sunrise coming up. Just the lake. Me. Fishing. Good morning. That is a nice bass, let me tell you. Basically on a school smallmouth, man. My wife is asking me to come back. Are you almost done fishing? I don't know. I don't want to be done fishing, man. I don't want to be done. I don't want to be done. Rain's coming in, but I caught him on a lizard. Caught him on a lizard. There you go, buddy. Get out of here now. There's a good one. Caught this little smallmouth on a lizard. Whew, just caught number 5. Another smallmouth. Not bad at all. Absolutely beautiful pattern. Look at that. It'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? Biggest one of the day. Oh, biggest one yet, baby. Yeah, look at that baby. Beautiful smallmouth bass. How goofy do I look with my glasses? Got this one right in front of the Rexford's dock. Hello, here's a good little smallmouth. I don't know, 12 inches, 13 inches. It's a beautiful morning. Oh. Now look at the size of that smallmouth bass. Look at the size of this guy. Look at this little guy. Suck on this, Dad. Look at that. Bet you never seen nothing like that, huh? This is a bigger one than I caught yesterday, baby. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. As it starts pouring down rain, man. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Man, I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm a bass fisherman. I just used a worm. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I think that's what they call a chain pickerel. Oh my God. Yeah. Look at the size of that largemouth bass, baby. Oh yeah, that's 2 pounds. 3 pounds maybe. Got me a rainbow trout, about 13 inches or so. Just got me another rainbow trout. Goodness. A very nice one. Gonna get him back in the water for a safe release. I'll just cut this little bitty rainbow trout. So beautiful. Look at the size of that bad boy. Oh, he's a feisty bugger. He's a good size one, man. Dude, there's a snake right there, and I'm not too big on like water snakes, but dude, there's another one that I got. Oh, I just caught this bad boy. Look at that pattern. Gosh, he's gorgeous. I got another one. I don't know what's going on with this fish, man. If he's just got stuff attached to his head that shouldn't be, or what? Believe it or not, I caught this little guy on a bumblebee.
If anybody asks where I'm at,
right in that brush.
gone fishing.
That's cool.
Waste some time, gone fishing. Leave my troubles behind, gone fishing. Rest my mind.
This bad boy.
Don't get away, I'm gonna lose my mind. Price is too high, my money is low.
I don't know. What do you guys say? About
My friend who asked me for a loan
24 inches?
ain't my friend no more. Yeah.
Not much I find more exhilarating in life than catching these. I don't know if it's just a rainbow trout or some kind of hybrid. I'm at a lake here in Colorado. Look at this beauty. Oh, so exciting. Morning, guys. Beautiful rainbow trout here. Beautiful though, huh? Look at that. I'm from Kentucky, obviously, with my thick country accent. Look at it. So the morning here with the sunshine as it's coming up. Yeah, baby. Immediately hitting that bait. That one was gonna be a nice one. I just knew. Bow, 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 bow. Just absolutely knew it. Good morning. I'm up here at Lemon Reservoir. Thought you guys would really enjoy my struggle. Seems to be what these rainbow trout have a lot to eat on. Ah, beautiful. They sure do put up a fight. Amazing day. I know what you're thinking. My hair is crazy. You're correct. What a beautiful view, huh? Whew. Not me, the like.
Hold on, should I hold him up?
Yeah, if you can get it. See if you can get the hook out if you can.
No, I'm not doing that. You can do that.
There you go.
He took my hook.
He got your hook?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay. So far, pretty exciting. He's oh yeah. Good fucking morning to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's so awesome. Like, just the type of stuff that makes you want to scream. And I can certainly scream. But, okay, so the guide taught me this. You wet your hands if you want to handle it. That's, probably about 15 inches. It's absolutely exciting. Beautiful. Be on with their morning, just like I'm gonna be on with my morning. There you go, buddy. You have a good morning. Nice one. It's absolutely a gorgeous day today. Think it's a fairly nice one, absolutely gorgeous. I know that's like all I say, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. That's how I feel. That is how I feel, buddy. Excited about life. That was a nice one. feisty. First catch of the day. Thought I'd do some evening fishing here. Relax. He's a big boy.